Hey guys, today I'm going to be using my arcane deck. I'm making a tutorial called Urnase. This trick is actually really reliable to you when you're using a Gaff deck. So here's the performance. So I'm just going to cut the cards. Cut your card. The 9 of diamonds. Keep it on the bottom. And I'm just gonna one sec. So I'm just gonna keep on the bottom, and then here's performance. So I'm just gonna rub the 9 of diamonds. Keep on rubbing. Magically turns into the 7 of hearts. So yeah, as I was saying, this trick is really useful for Gaff decks. You need it to like switch cards really fast and stuff. So what you do is audience, spectator, whatever, pick any card. I just did it like a spectator thing, so it's 5 diamonds. Make sure they don't see the bottom. So then you slide under the bottom. And then, so it's like this. So you come over to your dominant hand. This is my undominant hand. So come over, slide it upwards like that, like a sliding motion. And then with your bottom part of your thumb, you take the bottom card beneath it, and you slide it there. So you're supposed to go like this. So again, you go like that, and here like that. So you go like, you move it up, then move it down, move the other card down, and then while you're doing that, you just take it downwards, and with your pointer finger, push that down, and separate the bottom card from the pack like that, and then you slide it up. Should be 3 of diamonds. I'll do it slow. Show. Here, slide with your palm, slide this back, and split it. Split it. Sometimes it's really hard to split it. Then you slide up. 5 diamonds. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment. Thanks again.